Troy McDonald with Coldwell Banker here, and joining me is Shaun Williams, Chief Lending Officer with Marine Bank. Say hi to everybody, Shaun.
Hello, everybody out on the interwebs.
Yeah, so Shaun joined me today to talk about mortgages, interest rates, what's going on in the world of high finance, of borrowing money to buy a home or maybe a piece of investment property. So, Shaun, maybe just tell us a little bit about what you and your bank does.
Well, Marine Bank is a community bank headquartered right here on the Treasure Coast, and we, like any bank, take deposits and make loans. And we offer a wide variety of loans, including commercial loans, business loans, consumer loans such as cars and boats and whatnot, but also, and why we're here today, to talk about residential loans.
Great. So you can, do you guys, just so everybody knows, do you guys do SBA loans as well?
Yes.
Fantastic. So you can, you can head over to Marine Bank and you can you get the money to buy a car, a house, and a business, and an office to put your business in, all one-stop shopping.
And then make the deposits when your business is operating.
Yep, absolutely. And of course, those payments as well, because they don't just give you the money. So, Shaun, tell me about what's going on with interest rates, what the trends are, and maybe where you're thinking things are heading.
Yeah, I mean, quite frankly, interest rates remain at historical lows. They're not quite as low as what they were, say, a month ago or 2 months ago when they really hit bottom. But nationally speaking, interest rates for your standard, conventional, average 30-year fixed rate loan is still in the low 3s to the mid 3s. So
that's fantastic. That is saving home buyers so much money. Mm-hmm. Every time the interest ticks down, even a tenth of a point, that's money in your pocket, or in what is happening now, a more expensive home that you can purchase. I think that one of the major factors driving this seller's market is the low interest rates.
Yeah, it's definitely fueling what's happening nationally, and certainly we're blessed in a state that has great weather, a favorable tax environment, and you add low interest rates to that, and kind of, I don't want to get into political stuff, but I think some of the policies that we have pursued versus other states has certainly sent a lot of people looking Florida's way, as well as the emergence of remote work. So there's a lot of things factoring into what's happening right now, but it's just a beautiful thing to see.
Yeah. As far as remote work, has Marine Bank had people working remotely?
Yeah, myself included. It was interesting. The jury was out when we first started remote work, whether people were actually working or just hanging out by their pools. But no, actually what we found was that the average remote worker at Marine Bank is probably about 20% more productive, myself included. I live in Palm City, a Martin County resident, and my office is located on Orchid Island in Vero Beach. So that's a 1 hour drive. You take out a 1 hour drive one way and a 1 hour drive the other way. That's 2 hours of productivity that I gain back times 4 to 5 days a week. So it's almost like having an extra work day each week. So we've been able to make a lot of progress internally with the bank in terms of what we're doing at an accelerated rate, primarily because of remote work.
So if someone wanted to go to Marine Bank to, say, get a residential mortgage, what should they expect? How would some of the process going? Pre-qualification letters? What's going on here? What do they need to know?
Yeah, first thing you want to do before I think you go house shopping is talk to a lender to see what it is you're pre-qualified for. I'm sure there's nothing more frustrating for a guy like you. Somebody wants to go look for a house that's $700,000, but it turns out they can only afford one that's $300,000. I mean, that first things first, contact your bank, see what you're pre-qualified for. The lenders are eager to figure that out for you. What you can expect in terms of helping to figure that out is have your income documentation ready, your asset documentation ready. And by that I mean your tax returns, your W-2s, your pay stubs, the last couple months of your bank statements. Those are all very helpful in determining what you can qualify for, as well as what down payment you're going to be looking at. I mean, if we have those items, we can generally tell you what the ceiling is in terms of your pre-qualification amount.
Fabulous. Well, that's very exciting. So once you get through the pre-qualification point and they find the house that they want to purchase,
Mm-hmm.
when someone wants to find, so then they make application.
Yes.
So what is the time frame for application?
Typically, on average, your application to close cycle is right around 30 days. Now, not all deals can happen in 30 days for one reason or another. I mean, the deals are almost like fingerprints. Every one of them is unique. But generally speaking, it should take about 30 days from the time you formally apply to the time that you're sitting there at the closing table celebrating.
Okay, fabulous. So Marine Bank, so how long have you guys been in business?
Marine Bank was founded in 1997. So,
fabulous.
Yep,
So you guys have been around. You guys weathered the storms of the 2008 financial crisis. And
Yep.
and I'm guessing you're stronger now than ever.
Yes, we are rated 4 stars by Bauer, and we're incredibly proud of that.
So if someone wanted to contact one of your loan officers to get a loan from Marine Bank, whether for their home, business, car, boat, motorcycle, airplane, maybe I'm guessing even a RV, how would they go about contacting the bank?
Yeah, the best way would be to go to our website, marinebankandtrust.com, and we have 4 residential loan officers, or you can give me a call. My cell phone number is 772-349-2202. We can have a brief discussion, and I'll assign you to the best loan officer that I think will the best loan officer for you.
Well, Shaun, thank you very much. I think this has been a very informative and a great time. I think we're going to actually start doing this regularly, and we're going to work on some other topics that are real estate and banking driven to help you, the consumer out there, find a better path to reaching your goals, whether it be real estate or something else. It could be purchasing a business, being an entrepreneur, even if it's getting a car or a new boat. So thank you, and join us next time.